Hello.
Yeah. So
Okay.
create a folder. So let's create a folder. I can folder. So uh, uh, user. Yeah.
Did you get the report? Sorry, the folder.
Folder. Yeah. Folder for report, and I want you to see a report if you when you create. Then I want to create a folder for storing the or saving the report.
The last session, is it? Okay.
Yeah. So you can also create a report, but before that, I would like to have a look for the report. Where are the folders? You search box, right? Find a folder, and that you see
Yeah.
that is new report folder. Yeah.
Anything label or any specific label?
No, yeah, user 0. You can say report folder is user 0. Yeah. You- so now we don't have any reports, but make it accessible to all. Then
What? I just lost it. Created a new report folder. A folder, sorry. Just this folder. Okay. So it's just a new report here, or how is that? I go here and I click on this new report. Okay. So creating with Sada user. Yeah,
he's creating my user ID, of course. No, click on report button. Yeah, Abhijit only, yeah.
Okay.
And select leads, yeah, and pick the
Only.
yeah. Bottom corner you see a button called create. Click that. Yeah. So so the listing of the at the top you have you can just run it as it is on the report. On the report.
Okay.
Yeah. So now save it. No? Save as. Save as.
You had to run again. It's populated the data, right?
Populated, but it is showing. It's not showing. That I want to look at it as a report.
Correct.
Yeah. If there are 2,000 records to show, when you see in the builder, you don't see all of those 2,000 records. So when you run it, you will show more data. They're not available from the builder.
Okay.
Yeah. User 0 leads. Yeah, you can say leads. User 0 folder. Yes.
Okay.
So it is, right? Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Now you do the click customize button. it will bring you back to the so we would create and can you remove this rating and delete the fields from the report? The rating street. Street. You can save it.
Save it.
And remove the range, like the date you basically all the filter. Just remove the date. Every date, yeah. Whatever the date, we just remove that.
Remove it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just say it. Yeah. Okay.
And
Like the data, which financial year and all that. So you can say small time will include all the of the financial there is the leads created date and all that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Take the control and let's work more on this report. Okay.
save it. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. So this is what I think covered, right? We had Bhaskar last time. This is what I showed you, because it was and we discovered it. So filter the lead source to web only. Now it shows all the partner and all that. So I just wanted to use only the web, the lead source. Lead source the value is web. So something called filter. When you click add, it will be like explain free to write an expression. So I want to include. So this shows all the fields. So you click on the lead source. Then to see whether it's quickly or to include. I say equals to that, but we will see the value of web. And it adds a filter, and then only the leads that are web outputs. These are add a filter. Companies, right? So if you want to have a company, company start with if you want to remove the filter, you can just click on the remove. Then you get to see this. You remove the field and data. And the company name, right? Include the company account starts with let's say I want to see all the starting with A. So select starts with and A, right? Have this, company start. It will show all the companies and accounts that start with A. So this add and here when you have all the leads, so it will show the leads that were only you might use it Q1. So I can say then more data if there are more you created who created all the leads. Again, the date modified date, then is all dates that are created. You can include last modified. Is other leads that are modified within the dates. So this is how you add. Okay. So, but I want you to bring add for the again lead source with phone ID. Add filter.
No filter, right? Last modify.
Remove this filter. So all the filters will show up here. So remove this filter.
Oh, yes. No. No.
Now new filter. It the top, just third field. Yeah, last button. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then you read source and phone.
So. Save as I should have save.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
The filter and then we have and source.
Oh, you want me to add?
With one is the partner referral and
Okay.
no source. Yeah, first you select lead source and yeah, and then field. So referral and also web. Both both sides. Yeah. Now we can save it.
Okay.
So Bhaskar, what you do is you create a folder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Report. Save and yeah, no new report folder. Yeah, and
This one.
yeah, like users and portal.
Cannot go down.
Yeah. Okay. Save this. Now report.
Which one? This.
Let's say. So create report with an opportunity. You can first one, yeah. Yeah. Now that's fine. So yeah, I just want to save this report in the folder. Yeah, just save it in the folder. Yeah, opportunity. User. Showing only few records, right? So there is a filter criteria. So what we will do is we will this range. So remove those dates. Yeah. Then run report. Yes. Will we? Yeah. So you save the report. Yeah. Save the report. Yeah, just save. Okay. Okay.
Report to builder.
So customize will take you to destination.
Where is the customer?
Third course, like third button.
Oh, yeah.
If I do another thing. So this is the list of the report. Which is like right now I have to do like a grouping by uh, here, and I want to see how many options are there, right? Each lead source. So I can, this is tabular from that I can make it to like a report. So what you get to see is you get to see all the data. Along that you can also draw field, to create a grouping. So the lead source is the field group by. So I can on the right side here on the fields, and I click on mouse and uh, so I get to uh, proceed this lead source. So now I can put lead source. Actually, nothing is there. Let's cards. The lead source now you can see it's nothing there, but here where it shows the record again. This is how we do the grouping. Again, report it. Now, if let's say amount, right? How much? Uh, so I can write it and drop it. So for see, uh, uh, where how much I got it and like see grouping. Okay.
All these are group by column. Generally, drag this as a column, so it will be extra column in the report. But to make it a group by, generally, if you drop this column here, it will be like opportunity type and amount, right? If I drop this column here. But when you take a lead source, it is a group by lead source value, right? So how that came?
Okay.
You take any and drop here, that is of the report.
So there are two ways
now
to, yeah, the grouping, like, it was not there like this. Let's say closed. So like this, what you're saying, right?
yes.
Yeah. Now, is do I make this lead source and add it? So it's grouping, right? That's what you're saying.
Correct.
Yeah. So, like 4 types of report format. So I change the tabular report from some to some. I get placeholder to drop the group by field. Drop field. So lead source. Then
So A it is a character and this is that right?
Yeah, like lead source is dash, nobody specified, no, they left it as blank. If you see, so opportunity was left blank, that's why it's showing, means nobody knew where it came from. That's why it's showing like this in the report.
No, not this one I'm talking.
Which one?
Lead source, next to the lead source, if you go to left hand side, all the columns under information, right? And A prefix A and found as A, found to some of the columns, right?
Mhm.
So it means, yeah, the name has a prefix,
Uh-huh.
right? And there is a prefix as to amount, right? Amount is a number and other column character or something.
Yeah, that's I explained. So here this is, and the pounds, they will have this free to sort. Like say if you want to include all the text that's next to that, so you can see all the text words, filter all the numbers. Then you can this is what it is.
Excellent. Excellent.
Make it command. Then to the summary report and include what are the each stage at each stage. Yeah. Look for the stage field. Okay. So now you run the report. So if you run this report, then it will show like your information. Yes, yeah. There are three opportunities, and then for opportunity like that. Okay. To the report builder. Another the buttons that are there at the top of the report name. Yeah, that's builder. You have to like when you run the report, then you will get back to the report.
Hello.
Yeah. What is the question?
Yeah. One back is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Page. Where is this? Okay. So and I see basically I run the report. For the expecting it is only 3 accounts, and in this analysis it's only one account, one opportunity. So what does this mean? What does it mean? Basically, we are for this opportunity we are in this stage is what it means. Accordingly is what it. I mean, the reports or at that particular status we have this stage stated? I mean, what is the understanding of this kind of report?
The group by report, what I want to say is, let's say I'm like doing my business, and I have like 4 regions, right? Southern, northern, western. So if I just list opportunities, it will list, like say I have 100 opportunities. So when I run a report, it will show all the 100 opportunities. And if I go back to my report here, and then I'm taking the same example of a region, right? So from 4 regions. So, okay, I want to group them by region. Okay, what are the regions? What are the opportunities in the western region? So I will see the western region and opportunities from that region. To like northern region, and then the opportunities. So it is mixed, right? So this could be from western, and this could be from southern region, and this could be from northern region. So it's mixing all of them, right, together, and it's showing opportunity. But I want to put in the separate grouping, or put all opportunities from. So that is grouping means it's how much we generated or how much business has come from the region. So what are all the opportunities from that region, right? Then only I can say okay, from that region we got business. No. Yeah. So it's a summary, by the grouping. So this is only a standard thing in when we do the SQL queries. When you do the query analysis, you group by, and then you give a field. So stage, if I so now I am taking up this group by stage. So I just wanted to see how many are close to 90% probability, which is right? We or can just look at this opportunity. Almost negotiation review will do 90%. So I just want to see how many opportunities that are. We can see what are the different for each stage. What are these? Because for the just opportunities with the 90% stage, I can filter it. That is just it. But if I want to see what for each stage, then this is the right way to do like reporting. If I want to see the opportunities, then I can like if I want to know only the 50% probability, I can do a filtering, right? I can review. Then I that out. So I need to have any make it as a tabular. Then if I want to know which stage are the opportunities that are there at each stage, then I go to group, which is the stage. Like
Got it.
yeah, we would do.
So export this. How do we? Yeah.
Ways how we can use this report, right? One is all these buttons. Once you run the report, you can click on this export detail. So there are 2 options. One is to export and Excel. So like yeah, so that's how you would see. Because so this there was nothing. There was not there at all. There was no data. Data. You can also do like printable view. So that way still it will download it. So when you printable view, it is the formatting. So same as what you have here. We need to so you also maintained right when you for you.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it will remove the formatting when you will exporting in the formatting.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Content is also given, right? So will that name, data, and whatever as a report, it will be another kind of report, or to know this, what is this ad chart? Basically, is it a part of as a data or as a tracks in chat forms?
Oh, so this one, so we want to add like data all time and all opportunities. Right? So let me, yeah. So this chart will start for the visibility. So okay, so it's got count to show here and then, which I want to show it. Okay, when I click here, uh, with the number of you can it's a graphical representation of the so what I mean is value is one record, right? So let's do proposition here. So it shows record and we have the record count on the axis, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So close, I think we got 10 operator with the stage closed one. So this is how you can have a chart. The report can include like edit the chart and vertical bar, report different charts. All of this you can so they like this. This one is the biggest one, almost and scattered at various stages. So this with you starting delete, you can click the delete chart. That's how charting will be done.
The most colorful part of reporting, or
yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's quickly have you report.
okay.
Yeah. Change. Yeah. Go tabular format, you don't see the graphing tool, graphing. Okay. Only for summary report and report we will see the tabular chapter. It can be done for the. So do the summary on fiscal period. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Shows, it will show the value on the y-axis. What are the groupings that we have? Quarter and then year. Changes that are there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Abhijit. Oh, yeah. So open this new report. Okay. Report.
And what?
Yeah, accounts. Create account. Yeah. Then the report. Yeah. 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 Data. I do not have any date with this. Remove this. Password adding a filter. I don't know from 5423001. Remove that to clear this date.
And that?
No, just remove this date.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I thought you had.
Yeah. All the data. So it shows under show drop down. It shows my accounts. Date. So what I'm saying is from the you show all the accounts instead of just your accounts. List all the accounts. Yeah. Yeah. So group by what we want is I want to state. Yeah. Like week state.
Sorry, which one did you say?
State.
State. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now the chart. Add chart.
Is right. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Count. Okay. Okay. Everything is now the same thing.
Yeah.
Singapore is a state already.
So it looks like there are a lot of states with a lot of accounts without any. Right. So to figure out how the data is maintained in terms of quality. So you can see there and you can recommend doing data maintenance. So it gives grouping. Now say if you give a report to the users and ask them to update, so you can report this is blank. Then yeah. So this is how you do the grouping when you want to sit and then save it. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Do the save. User zero account.
The folder same 0.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now that report, I want to see the formatting. See the formatting. Yeah. Okay. Click on that. Yes. No, that's fine. Yeah, it is already saved. No? See, the file name is already. It is the file name, but yeah, if you want to really do further, save it and do it right now. Okay. Yeah. On this, and let me go back to again and formatting it, which is a matrix. So what this cross tab basically it will have a grouping and row, and is I can like this group. Then if you look at just look at this report, I go to traveler, I starting option, and also when I go to I get starting, but when I have a grouping, then I just starting the enable. Add this type of maybe make it as a type, right? It's all the customer is showing, and then I can include a chart. This summary to matrix, I will do placeholders we can add the grouping, right? And so whatever I want to do the type here, group. Also, I can paste it. Yes. See and or there for each state how many type, right? So for this state, what channel, how many records? Actually, I don't have anything here, right? Then we'll remove all the then code from Arizona. I got type is actually blank for some of the accounts. That which was as a then customer channel. Building state where there is no entry is made. Such why data for which account there is no state at 14 and let's see data signed and one customer channel total 15 and Florida, right? So in Florida of accounts the flow is where there is no status. Customer direct is 0, customer channel 0. So this is where we can uh, data as well as this select column, and then on the row is another field. Which like here, I want to see the customer types for each. So the requirement for this, okay. So and there was one more thing which from here from below, I get these two right. So I'll make it owner and see private as part of the filtering. Let me say take some other so that it is better. Account sources, that's why it's showing all the title record string 28. I think it is industries of see from the type where we have not specified for the customer, and if you see energy. So energy, I got client channel. So this directly modify and the report itself. Another future type of revenue, like how many, how much based on each revenue. And actually, let me go back to customer report and then make it as a tabular. Let me make some account name, remove I want to say active, right? Whether it's active or inactive. What I want you to do is report and column account type on the row. Three.
Okay.
One only. Yeah. You just change that from tablet to matrix. Keep any column. So remove all the columns that are there.
These are the columns, right?
Just remove other columns. The account owner. But you can use that so that it will be column. Any other, okay. Like use the
Which one?
fill account type on the
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Yeah. The column. Yeah. Yeah. So now
We need to run the report. The data is same before. I'm sorry. Before and after run, of course, read when you run the report.
is also there for you. See, data is only 28 records. Let's say there are 3 records, right? And to do the customization,
So,
yeah. So you don't see all of that data. Like for this is fine, but if there are more groups and this,
you can't see it.
yeah, that's run and also like now in this readable format, you know, report. The end user, you may not give the option, right? They will not have a customization. So have a report which is like show details, export details. You don't have the option to delete. Like if it is if the individual report, then they can uh, save the report the way they want. Report. Let me go back to customize. Add a chart and see how it looks. Here, record count and this one I can select group by the type, right? So this uh, shows color like how many tool one record that will show again on the delete this. Okay. Okay. Now this report, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. You create a report. Create an opportunity report. Like matrix report.
Oh, matrix. Okay.
Yeah. On the stage,
I'm sorry.
Stage. Up,
No.
uh, and so it's not a resource is not the right thing because it's stage. So we want to have the industry is there a lead source. I think we already we just had that.
And removed it back. So
Lead source.
I added and I deleted it.
So look at the clear. Add a close actually. That is the close this. Yeah. Row. Yeah. What I am trying to actually remove all the columns. Remove all the columns.
Okay. Then does that also include the ones which we added with the word?
It is the field. It's on the grouping side. Do it. So picked up these two fields. I just want to see the close date. What we have. How many of them are like expecting appropriation ID. So I have the
Progress.
progress needs to be there now, because when I'm closed is like 5 7 is it's all done. Let's say 5 2 up, right? So how many like the opportunities are closing? Close the means it's okay, whether it's like on contract negotiation or price proposal. So that I can figure out what are these I can use my okay, yeah, report.
Just check this. Okay, this again the information. Okay.
Yeah, so use it drill down. So when you click on that data, it will go. What I mean is that it will it's a thing.
I think it should.
It's this one. Yeah.
Uh,
Experiment by doing things. Yeah.
0. Okay. So I'm to customize or save it.
Yes. Yeah. Save it and
We had
close. Close. Close it.
yeah.
Save it. Close it summary report.
Okay. So this is 0.
Yeah. Just keep doing this report. From the report, you can try to juggle with the data and also try options. Like exercise or practice. Okay. Yeah. So you can let. That's what I have for today to cover. So you can.
It definitely last 3 sessions. I didn't practice much.
Yeah. If you do something over the weekend, then that will be better. If you don't practice, as you know, right, technology. Yeah, at least if you log in, that's fine. If you're not practicing also, then you will get to
I'll do this week. By Tuesday, I will do.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Actually, changed the training user as our platform. So some of the things I was not able to change through. So can you please change it to system admin?
Good thing you reminded me.
This guy. That's I think, right? So.
Okay.
And
I'll make and then you can.
Sure. You will send tomorrow, right? By tomorrow, the last 2 and this one.
Yeah, definitely.
Sure.
Okay then. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.